Welcome to StoneCoatCountertops.com, where we're changing the way that you think about remodeling. Whether your project is countertops, woodworking, art, flooring, and even showers, we have easy navigation to project success. You can simply click on the Countertops button if you have a countertop, tabletop, desktop. Maybe you have a woodworking project where you're doing a river table or clear seal over natural wood. Maybe you're an artist looking for that medium to take your art to the next level. Do you have an old garage floor or even a showroom, maybe a space in your house that you want to turn into a 3D metallic floor? Guys, showers are now an absolute possibility with the kits that we've designed for shower success. Have fun on the website. You can choose one of our pre-built kits that has everything included for you to take your project from concept to complete. Maybe you want to customize your kit. We have all the tools right there in each button, just a click away. Rule number one is have fun, and remember, you got this. We'll see you on the next page.